Hey guys, this is Thomas from Support. Today I'll be talking about how do I know how many pictures I have left in my Polaroid camera. So if you have this Polaroid 600 camera and you have a film in there and maybe you haven't used it for a few weeks and you're not exactly sure how many pictures you have already shot. So you have this camera and you want to know how many pictures do you have left in the film. And you have a picture counter on the back of your camera. It is a small plastic window here. Sometimes it's hard to see, but there is a number in there. And the number will tell you how many pictures you have left in your film. And the thing is that the film counter starts counting at 10 and it counts towards 0. And the Polaroid Originals film now has 8 pictures, but back in the day when Polaroid produced the film, it had 10 pictures. So it starts from 10, counting towards 0, and it always says how many pictures you have left. But if you took like 2 pictures, then the camera will say 8. But in reality, with Polaroid Originals, you have to subtract 2 to get to the real number, which is 6. So if you've taken 2 pictures, it will say 8, but actually you have 6 pictures left. And when the camera says 2, then you're out of film. So if the picture counter says 2 pictures, then if you use Polaroid Original film, then you're out of pictures and you're done. And then you can remove the film pack and get your next film on. What you can do is, if you don't want to take a chance, just press the shutter button again. If you run out of pictures, then the camera won't take any picture, will just cycle, but it won't take the picture because there's no pictures left. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments and talk soon.